Welcome to the OptiFactory, a factory where a combination of different technologies applied to egg handling and egg processing provides a successful business model. Here comes the OptiFactory shuttle truck collecting the eggs from the farmers. The truck itself has on board an automatic conveyor that couples with the docking equipment at the gate. The truck has been completely unloaded in a few seconds and is ready for a new mission. At the OptiFactory, all the pallets are handled by a fleet of laser-guided vehicles, LGV. Each individual egg pallet has embedded a transponder, radio frequency identification, RFID, recording all the relevant batch data. As soon as the truck is unloaded, the first available LGV will load the first pallet and, thanks to the RFID, it will be addressed to the right destination. A paperless system allows the uploading of all traceability data to the OptiFactory computer. This pallet has been selected for immediate processing and it will be delivered directly to the breaking area. This one has been selected for the fully automated cold storage room. The cold storage room is an automatic multi-depth pallet warehouse with radio shuttles and input-output stacker cranes. By means of the input stacker crane, the pallet is automatically transferred from the input conveyor to the right storing channel according to its product descriptions. Then, a radio shuttle brings the pallet from the stacker crane to the storing position in the channel. The transponder data are updated accordingly. In this way, a physical first-in, first-out line is created into each channel. The pallets in the automatic cold storage are kept all the appropriate time. The content of the warehouse is updated and mapped in real time. With this high-density pallet storage, OptiFactory saves about 50% of refrigerated volume, and accordingly, the factory footprint is dramatically reduced. In the night time, according to the availability of the product in the warehouse and the production schedule, the right amount of pallets per code are moved out from the cold storage to the production ambient buffer, updating once again the transponder's data. The ambient storage is also built with an automatic dynamic system, using radio shuttles that organize the lines of pallets in order to have all the required product at environment temperature, ready to feed the breaking lines. Then LGV will bring one pallet at the time to the automatic depalletizer system of the breaking line. The complete traceability chain is ensured by transferring the data in the RFID transponder to the liquid egg process traceability system. The eggs are sent to the breaker machines and the empty trays, once stacked, are sent automatically to the washing area to avoid any cross-contamination. The pallet transponders are updated with the information that the pallet is now clean and ready to be used again. Now we go back to the beginning of the grading sequence. The input pallets selected with eggs for grading are transported by LGVs to the Interoperational Pallet Buffer, IOB, that will serve the complete grading and packing area. The IOB keeps all the pallets related to the grading area in an automatic rack system. Egg pallets from the reception area, carton box pallets, packing material pallets, and all the other material used in this area. Of course, the egg pallets will stay in the IOB just a few hours, waiting to be delivered to the grader based on the daily production schedule. The result is improved production thanks to the program optimization, a clean production environment due to the just-in-time material delivering. From this buffer, all the pallets required by the grading production schedule are picked from the buffer position and brought to the output bay in order to reach on time all the feeding points of the line. The distribution of the pallets to the line is performed by the LGV fleet. Also in this case, the traceability chain is ensured by transferring the data in the RFID transponder to the grading traceability system. All the incoming pallets are depalletized and egg tray stacks are gently but quickly loaded on the loader inlet conveyor. Once the egg tray stacks are placed on the loader inlet conveyor, a gentle system ensures that the eggs are separated from their trays and that every single egg is loaded on a special cup conveyor. Also in this case, the empty trays are stacked and sent automatically to the tray washers. In the Optifactory, the empty cases or display box are loaded automatically and automatically filled with egg packs, respecting the customized patterns. As soon as the grader has graded every single egg and packed it into different kind of egg packages, the case packer and the display loader will automatically load them into cases and display boxes in several patterns. Once filled, the cases or display boxes are sent to the proper storage house after having been closed and labelled. It is a well-known fact that the packing stations produces a lot of carton boxes that are different for product code, packing labelling, box dimensions, etc. As a consequence, there are a lot of different finished product codes. Part of the boxes are delivered to the palletizing robot for a single code pallet, like the traditional way, ready for shipment. Another important part of carton boxes will be palletized in customized multi-code shipment pallets. Optifactory has an innovative system to perform the multi-code mixed palletizing. The system includes an automatic buffer for boxes, an automatic fast box picker, a robotic palletizing cell equipped with a revolutionary box gripper. The different kind of boxes are kept in the automatic case buffer, waiting for the optimized shipment palletizing program. The automatic picker brings the correct boxes, generating the box feeding sequence to the robotic cell to be palletized. The robotic cell uses its special gripper to bring in the same time different cases of eggs, stacking them on the pallet, considering the previous layer. All these actions are controlled and planned by an optimized algorithm that generates the best sequences of boxes to be picked from the automatic case buffer, moves the robot and its grippers according to the physical dimensions of the different boxes and the different heights of the layers. In the end, the LGV fleet completes the automation, preparing all the customer's pallets in the shipment area or directly into the shipment trucks. The use of this system allows the Optifactory to deliver a competitive customer service with unattended automation, drastic reduction of labour, punctual and precise delivery, compact and reduced footprint.